Did you know? The largest volcano in our solar system isn't even on Earth. Olympus Mons, the Martian monster that makes Earth's volcanoes look like anthills. Olympus Mons is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Its base could cover the entire state of Arizona. If it was on Earth, its peak would reach into space. But what if this cosmic colossus suddenly appeared here? Earth would tremble under its weight. Cities would be overshadowed. Our atmosphere would be pierced by its towering summit. Imagine the impact on our world. Share your wildest theories in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic wonders.